Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic arrays commander tutorial how to add hatch patterns. For example, I will draw rectangle, and if you want to add hatch patterns, you can type hatch, press enter, and to change for the patterns, you can click in the drop down menu in pattern here. So you can choose your patterns. Like example, I will use these patterns and then click inside the rectangle to apply. After it, you can change for the scales by click at these points. Like I will set scale into 2 and the scale will be automatically changed. You can change again like 5 and this is for 5. If you done, you can click close button. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to add hatch pattern.